Hi, Artgugu here. Welcome to my channel. In my previous two videos, I have showed how I make those watercolor coloring pages. If you haven't checked them out, just go to my playlist called Art Hacks. I made two more coloring pages yesterday. So at the end of this video, I will give you the downloadable coloring pages for free. For this picture you'll look at now was a picture I took in Vancouver. This is a Chinese garden. It's called Zhongshan Garden. Why I make those coloring pages? Actually, there are three main reasons. First, I believe art is for everyone. Have you ever tried watercolor? Oh, sounds good. For someone who have never tried watercolor before, it's an easy way to get started. I am not a professional watercolor artist. I'm learning and trying out new techniques. So if you like, show me your artwork anytime. I think we can learn from each other. So the number one reason is experiencing art. Do you like traveling? Cool. I like traveling too. Where is your favorite place to go? Beautiful. I cannot wait to go there. Maybe someone has no idea what to paint. So I really like to share my favorite pictures. I worked as a tour guide for more than 10 years. So I have traveled many countries in Asia, Europe, South America, and Africa. The number two reason is get inspired. The second picture is a park by the sea. I took this picture in Great Neck, New York. Have you ever tried meditation? So I started meditate when I was 7. I learned many types of meditation from different places in the past decades. I've attended many meditation retreats in Thailand, Tibet, India, and China. Then I created my healing art meditation. If you are interested in, subscribe now, and my next video will show you the practice. Through the practice, you will find joyful, peaceful, mindfulness, and maybe enlightening. For the free watercolor coloring pages, just email me. It's amandachang@nyc.gmail.com. The title is Coloring Pages. I will send you these coloring pages. You can also check the description below. I hope you enjoy them.